Let's look at question number 15. For some constant real numbers p, k, and a, consider the following system of linear equation. This is a system of linear equation in x and y, two equations. Necessary condition for the system to have no solutions. If the system to have no solution, we already know that p by 3 should be equals to what? Minus 4 by k. To make the lines parallel, these values must not be equals to 2 by a. This is the preliminary equation that we know. Now from this set of preliminary equation, we can find three equations. Let me find out the three equations. Let me equate the first and the last one and say p by 3 must not be equals to 2 by a. So if I look at this, I will realize a by ap must not be equals to 6. So my first necessary condition is ap must not be equals to 6. Look at the second condition. Make this equals to this. So if you make that p by 3 is equals to minus 4 by a. If you solve this, you will realize pk is equals to minus of 12. So your second condition is turning out to be equals to pk equals minus of 12. Correct? Now look at the third one. If you look at the third one, what are we going to say? We are going to equate these two and say that this equation is also something that we get. This will give me an inequality, and that will be a necessary condition. Minus 4 by k must not be equals to 2 by a. Right? So if you solve this, you will realize that this will get cancelled out. You will get a minus 2. So minus 2a must not be equals to k, or we can simply write k plus 2a must not be equals to 0. Now look at the options. You will realize that the first option is something which is present directly, which is 2a plus k must not be equals to 0. If you look at option C and option D, you can very easily eliminate because these are exactly opposite of my other two conditions, right? So this and this is gone. Now this is not a necessary condition. They are asking you which of the following is a necessary condition. So option B will also not be the answer. Option A will be the correct answer for this question.